as of tomorrow, I will be, I can't even see there. As of tomorrow, I'll be 30 weeks pregnant. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's video. Are you surprised, Terry?
No, not at all, Alex. You go.
Okay. So, today we are doing a garage sale. It is the town's festivities that are happening. And I just went and got the mail out of my mailbox. First, I'm going to show you these cute little headbands I got. And then I'm going to show you a nice little morning surprise I got. The headbands from this company called Bloom Head Wraps. And they are just the cutest. Look at that. And they're really nice and stretchy, so I think they'll fit her for a while. Got that one. I got this one. So cute. I'll show you. It came with some stickers too. This is hard to do with one hand. This is the company. Bloom Head Wraps. They have cute little stickers. Love that. Okay. So those are the little headbands I got. Now I'm going to show you the little surprise I found in my mailbox today. So last fall, it was last fall, 2018, 2019, I designed this book for the community education where I used to work. Today, I opened my mailbox and I find this. It's from a local church. I'm just going to show you a few pages and you tell me if you think you find any similarities. So, here's the front of both. I did this last year and it went out to everybody in the community. This is this year for this church, okay? Here's the front. Lines. What? Here's the back. Now let's show you some inside pages. Callie, zip it. Oh my god, I can't even, you guys. We gotta get... Alright. Here is the brochure I made last year. Here's the one I got in the mail for the church from this year. Like I said, this was for the school that I made that went out to everybody. This is for a church. Not the same thing, but in the same community. Let's see what else we've got in here.
Yeah. So.
Isn't that fun?
Let's just try that, and then I just told Jen I might make a run for my mom.
So now, I'm just going to point out each section that I did had this little banner going across the bottom, and the headers of each section had a photo. You can see. Like there's a section, so on. Photo. Even the little lines.
Yeah, I know a couple of the greenhouse people down there, so I'm gonna call and see what they've got. So, yeah, I will do that. Already. Yep. Kim said absolutely we should be able to make good judgment.
Even similar colors
Then I told her we might make a run
that
for
I
Mom.
used.
I need something. Give me some. Should I just run down and get some? Yeah. Do you guys want anything from the store?
I'm okay. Thank you, though.
Jen, do you need anything down at the Manor Mart?
That's like the same color.
Kim says put the sign up. Okay. Like I told her, obviously we eat the olive ones, but we were not going to put it all.
Oh, and look, pumpkins.
Day after the time,
If I can flip the pages.
They, Casey's is closing.
Even's got, oh, look at that. The pumpkins even have white and... Can you even, Mom?
It's flattery.
It's very
They
flattering.
like you. I told you, Alex, you're phenomenal, and your word is getting out there.
Oh, thank you so
Everybody's
much.
going to want you.
Thank you so much. Well, happy Saturday, everyone.
See all the boys.
Raya, I can't. That was so gross. What'd you do?
I glued them.
With super glue.
You know what she looks like to me? You know on Monsters Inc. when he puts his mouth in that thing? It's,
That's what should be for Halloween.
ew, I can't look at it.
Look at that close.
When she first did it, I thought she like stuck her lips and something in.
Can you close them?
Let me see.
How is
Work
it
with my
safe?
mustache.
I can't do the duck lips.
Did you?
Looks like you got bad Botox.
Looks like you went to South Africa and got some boat.
Chad, will you let Raya do that to you?
Looks like you
Do
went,
it.
Yes.
Chad,
To you.
do
looks
it.
like you went to Kentucky.
Chad.
and got your lips done.
Chad, you need to do it. Mom, you should do it.
No.
Yes.
I'm
No.
not
You'll
doing it.
finally have big lips.
Let's watch you take it apart.
Ready?
Yep.
Does it hurt at all?
No.
Chad, your turn.
Yeah,
Go.
Chad, please go do
Can you
that.
imagine if I did it?
You have to. It'd be so funny.
No.
Come on.
I got mustache. This thing.
I know.
It's okay. It's for eyelashes.
Yeah, it's eyelash glue.
Yeah, but Raya looks like she just did a Got Milk commercial.
Oh my God, it's too funny.
Now what you gotta
Chad's
do is you gotta
turn.
take your lip and put it, and you gotta hold it.
I'm gonna start chanting to myself.
Yeah, meanwhile, over there, she's got 2 cakes she's eating.
Okay, that should be good.
Did you only do the middle? Oh my God. Why'd you only do the middle?
Cause there's not enough on the outside, I don't think.
I can feel it coming off.
I do not like that at all. I do not like that.
It
Ew.
doesn't stick.
Ew, ew,
Do
ew.
your mustache?
I think I just got bit by a mosquito on my face.
No.
Cute,
Please.
Chad.
Not doing it to me.
I don't like that. Look at me. You look like somebody I know. We are here and ready for the parade today. There's a tired Raya, there's a Chan. Yesterday when Chad was cutting wood, he accidentally flung a log at my face.
Log.
It was a piece of a log. Got me cut right there. Oh, there's the umbrella man. Oh my God, Dad, you need to use the Blue's Clues one. Dad, I was kidding. Don't use that. That looks really good with your outfit and everything. Your legs are gonna get wet. Oh my God.
I can't believe Gavin's missing out on all this action. Here you go, Crunchy Crunch.
Oh, thank you. Crunch. Crunch. Look at that. Oh, I dropped it. It's hard to bend over. Look at that loot. You want the Skittles, Dad? I got 3 things. You just got a freaking umbrella filled with candy. Oh my God.
Now you
I love it.
Wait, Mom, I gotta see how much you got there. You can't hear me. Can you carry that, Dad?
What?
Look at this. Oh my God. That's so much. And we got pockets full.
No, he dumped half.
Later.
Hello, everyone. It's a little bit later, as you can see. We finished up at the parade, and then it was cruddy cold and rainy, so I took a bath and relaxed the rest of the day. It's also cold, wet, and rainy today. But wanted to pop on here. I know I said earlier, but this little cut area here was Chad when we had a fire the other night. He was really far away from me and he was cutting the wood and a big chunk of it flew across the yard and got me in the face. I'm lucky it didn't get me in the eyeball, but I thought I could do a little haul here. Just a second. I got a few things in the mail, so I thought it'd be fun to do a little haul I'm redoing some of the rugs in our entryway. Only one of them is in that box, so I'll show you the one, and then when I get the other one later this week, I will film all of that and show you. I'm going to show you what's in here. I also want to show you our new headboard that Chad made because it's really super cute. What is he doing? And then, oh, there's sticky something on there. After all that, we're going to go out to eat for my brother's birthday, and Chad and I get to go pick up our new SUV family car. I'm so excited about it. Okay, first package is from Aerie. Ugh. I hope all this stuff fits me. I got a few pairs of sweatpants and a sweater from there because, let me show you. Hold on. As of tomorrow, I will be, I can't even see there. As of tomorrow, I'll be 30 weeks pregnant. I haven't given you guys a bump date here in a hot minute. Look at you can see my belly button already. See that? That's my belly button sticking through. Anyways, I'm going to be 30 weeks. And a lot of my pants, I don't like when they dig in. I'll give you a full here. Look at that. I have a line. But yeah, there she is. There's the baby in there. Okay, anyways. I needed some more comfy sweatpants, and I thought when I saw these ones that were on sale that they would be perfect because they aren't going to dig in right there. And I thought they'd be comfy for postpartum too. So they're like, I got a gray and a black pair of these ribbed ones. And they're like, oh yeah, they're nice and big, super flowy. I got them in my regular size medium because people said they're kind of big, but as you can see, they have like a band that folds up or you can fold it over. I just thought that was so comfy, cozy to me. So I got those ones. I got these ones that are like plushy. Oh yeah, and they're like a pebble color. They look nice and big. Again, they got a band. These ones have a tie on them, but they got a nice fold over band for my belly. Those look super cozy. And like, I can totally wear these after I'm pregnant too, so score me. And then these are the same as the black ones, just gray. Just a gray pair. Again with the band. They're very flowy and soft. I really like that. And then I can never pass up their fall sweaters that they have. I had to get at least one. And this one I thought was so stinking cute. It's just like this rust color. And it folds over like that. I love a good turtleneck, especially with my short hair. And it's just got this detailing around the sleeve. And it's got like a split thing down there. I can show you next time when I wear it. I'll probably wear it. No, not tomorrow. It's going to be 82 degrees tomorrow. But I got it in a small, I think, because their sweaters always run really big. So this will fit me till the end of my pregnancy. So that is what I got from Aerie. I got this basket. I'll show you what this is for when I go into my room. Just a new welcome doormat. It says home sweet home. I'll show you when I get the other one that goes underneath. I got a plaid one to go underneath it, so it's gonna be real cute. All right, here's what those baskets are for. My mom gave me this. Actually used to be my book stand when I was little, and then it was in my sister's room, and then she was gonna get rid of it, so she gave it to me. And I put like my bras and undies in the top one, socks, and then some of my sweaters, so I had more room in the closet. And then I just moved that nightstand over there for Chad's side for now. But I had to show you, I already had those windows up there. Chad and I, one weekend, mostly Chad, made this headboard from a bunch of old pallet wood that my dad took apart. And I just am so obsessed with it. And then I also got new bedding. Just some gray and white. But I'm really happy with how it looks. I think it looks very cute. And I got stripes for pillow in between. And yeah. Oh, I heard that. I heard that toot. I heard that toot. Thought that since the mirror is right here, I can give you a better look at good old soybean in there. That's what my dad started calling her, so now we all call her soybean. Chad. I'm huge. Look, can you see? I'm not showing you, but can you see my belly button?
No,
And
it's just the lighting is.
Oh, out in the kitchen you could see it. You could see it on the vlog too, but there she is. There's 30 weeks, baby. 10 to go. Okay, I tried on the black pair. Let me open this so you can see better. I tried on the black pair of those sweatpants, and let me just say that I am so happy that I bought these. They are so like loosey-goosey and like buttery, silky soft, and the freaking like I think that they thought about pregnant people when they made these at Aerie because they're just so perfect. The band is nice and loose right there, and if I want, I can fold it over my bump like that. It's perfect. I love these. Then I got a gray pair. Now I'm going to try those on next because those are soft. Well, these are both soft, but these are like silky soft. And these are like sweatery soft. Okay, here are the pebble colored ones. Again, they're like soft and loosey-goosey. When I'm not pregnant and I don't have these thick thighs, they'll fit a little better, but they're not, I don't think they feel tight at all. There they are with the bump. I just love these. I think they'll be perfect too. I wanted some new pairs of sweatpants that I could wear in the hospital after I have her. Something cozy, loose. I love these. Man, I'm so happy. I love Aerie. Wait a minute. Do you shake good? You shake good? Yeah, hold on. Is it good?
Did you even show the bread?
That's what I was gonna saving it for last. Happy birthday, Gavin.
Thanks.
How's your malt?
Wait, hold on.
I should really stop recording outros on my iPad because the quality is just not there, girlfriend. This is the current situation we're got right now. We got the big old belly hanging out and I'm just laying on the couch editing. But that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you liked the little quick little montage tour of our new car. Took us freaking forever to pick one out, and that is a Mazda CX-5 is what we decided to go with, and I am obsessed with it. I love it. I wanted something that didn't feel like a giant SUV when I was driving it, and that one feels like I'm driving my car, but even better. So, I love it. Chad loves it. It's a perfect family car. And I can't wait to put our little soybean in there and bring her home. But that is it for today's video. And we will see you guys next time.